Unlike a spreadsheet, we support the ability to temporarily bypass and toggle on and off whether a particular event calculates or not. Additionally, a user can decide to lock in a particular event, thereby locking out parallel events. It's all part of reducing the number of active scenario threads. Let's dig a little bit deeper. In this particular scenario, we have 3 scenario threads. The first scenario contains event 1, event 2, and event 3. The second scenario thread contains event 1 and event 4, and the third contains event 1 and event 5. Event 1 is contained in all 3 events. To bypass an event and its calculations, select the event to display its menu, select the bypass icon, and that event will be removed temporarily from all calculations. All 3 scenario threads still exist. To reapply those calculations, select the bypass icon again, and those calculations will reappear. An important note, if we bypass event number 4, you will see that we still have 3 scenario threads here. Even though this appears to have no calculations in it, it's important to note that it still contains event 1 right through to decision number 2, which is a different set of calculations than thread 1 and thread 3. Let's talk about locking in a decision. We have these 3 potential options, and maybe we choose this particular option as the one that we want to move forward with. Select the event to open up the menu, select the lock icon, and you will notice that these 2 parallel paths are now no longer calculating, and we're down to a single scenario thread. To reverse that, select the lock icon again, and all of our scenario calculations and event calculations are returned. That is how you bypass and lock decisions and events in whatifi.